Before we start building a soundtrack, I want to show you something new I've been experimenting with. Up until recently, most of my videos were built around one or two panoramic images. Now I'm beginning to create what I call a journey sequence. Instead of spending 12 hours looking at one viewpoint, the viewer slowly explores one peaceful location. Maybe we begin beside the lodge, wander quietly out onto the lake, and eventually we return from another direction. Nothing dramatic happens. You're simply spending time in one believable place. Of course, if the pictures take a journey, the sound has to take that same journey. That's what this episode is all about. Let's begin the soundtrack. Everything starts with natural sounds. Once I have my original sounds and any music I want to use, it's time to build a 12-hour soundtrack. The first thing I do is stretch the sound effects to build the entire 12-hour project. If the recording is an hour long, I'll duplicate it until it fills the entire timeline. I don't paste one copy at a time. I'll often copy 2 or 3 sections together. That lets me build 12 hours surprisingly quickly. Once I have the natural sounds filling the timeline, I can start adding music whenever I want. Sometimes that's one continuous piece. Sometimes it's several different pieces. And sometimes I don't use any music at all. The important thing isn't how many tracks you use. The important thing is that nothing calls attention to itself. People aren't listening for a concert, they're listening for peaceful plays. One thing you'll notice throughout this series is that I'm always trying to keep the process simple. The less time I spend fighting software, the more time I spend creating peaceful places. One thing you'll probably notice throughout this series is that I'm always trying to keep the process as simple as I can. The less time I spend fighting software, the more time I spend creating peaceful places. Whether I'm using one music track, several tracks, or no music at all, the goal never changes. Nothing should call attention to itself. The picture, the sounds, the music, they should all disappear into one experience. When everything works together, people stop thinking about videos, and they simply feel like they're somewhere else. In the next episode, we're going to bring everything together. We'll take the images, the original sounds, the music, and assemble them into a finished 12-hour Brian's Brain video. I'll show you exactly how I build these long projects in iMovie. I'll see you in episode 5.